Too many people?
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Too many people. Hi guys, my name's Andrea and welcome to BarbiePunk. Today I'm going to be showing you how I got the look for this photo shoot. I don't know if you knew this, but Kuromi is my favorite Sanrio character. And earlier this year I commissioned Kangaroomis to make me a Kuromi outfit. I'm going to show you that in a second, but basically today we're going to put this makeup on. So if you want to see how I do this makeup, it has been a go-to of mine lately. Usually pink, but today it's purple. If you want to see how I do this makeup look, and then we're going to get dressed and go to a pumpkin patch. So that's what today's video is. I'll put their link down below because they are great. They do these they have a bunch that they have for sale regularly, but you can also request custom ones. So I requested this one. It is Kuromi, who is a Sanrio character. So basically what you can do is this is like a fleece dress and you can choose a bunch of different things. So you get to pick a character, send some references, send some ideas, and they'll do this little hooded fleece dress for you. It's meant to be kind of like a kigurumi, which is like a pajama onesie with a fun hood, usually an animal hood, but people have been doing a lot of cosplay style kigurumis. So that's where the name comes from. Kangaroomi is where I got this from. So they do a lot of dresses in the style of a kigurumi, which is just a one-piece outfit that just works really well as a cosplay. So I got this one custom made, but I'm sure you can ask for it if you want it. It has the Kuromi little ears, jester style ears with little black puffballs at the top. We have the little purple skull. Sometimes it's purple, sometimes it's pink, but I got it purple. We have the little widow's peak hairline, and then jester collar in black with little pink puffballs. The whole dress is white. We are sleeveless, little pink buttons with purple thread in them. And then down at the waist we have another little jester collar, black jester collar with pink puffballs again, pockets, pink lined pockets, and the very bottom is this purple again. Really cute, really well made. I'm gonna do a photo shoot in this today, but first you can check out how I did my makeup. Okay, this is gonna be an updated makeup routine, mostly about my eyes though. I haven't changed much else. So this is Urban Decay Stay Naked Hydromaniac Tinted Glow Hydrator. And then I set now with this Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless. Kind of as I'm buffing it in. Tarte Shape Tape under my eyes. Tarte Creaseless Concealer on my zits. Just a tiny bit. I haven't been setting my concealer recently, and I feel like my under eyes have been better. Lime Crime Software Blush in Flash Drive. Because it's a cream, I like to do it right now. I like to put some here. Too Faced Sun Bunny. Giant brush. Urban Decay Primer Potion. Sorry if I'm speeding through this, but the biggest change is at my eyes. So I start my eyes the same way no matter what. just because I have hooded eyes. I'm trying to give them more dimension, but if you do not have hooded eyes, you can skip this. But I basically go in, this is Inglot, this is like a transition shade. Going with a transition shade around here. I use this like weird fluffy flat brush with like a dark brown on just the outer corner of my eyes, right here. Just to like pull them up and out. And again, bring some dimension in there. Lately I've been mixing in some like Korean makeup tips, so I've been accentuating my little aegyosal here. Then I take the same bronzer that I used before and a fluffy brush and blend all this out so it's not so harsh. So, blended, unblended. Okay, here comes the fun part. So, since we are doing a Kuromi look today, I'm gonna use this like lilac purple all over my eye. I'm just gonna plop it on with my finger. Which may seem counterintuitive because of all that shit that we did there, but trust me, it would have less dimension. Just really like raccoon your eye with it. Take the same blending brush from before and just I'm gonna add a tiny bit of this darker purple right here. Highlight inner corner. I feel like I need to do my brows. They're distracting me. Let's do brows real quick. Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz medium brown. I have to look this way, I'm sorry. I feel like all makeup looks, or at least my makeup looks, look crazy until I put eyeliner on. Kat Von D tattoo liner. So if I'm doing a regular look, for my hooded eyes, I take my eyeliner out to like here, which is past where my eye stops, because if I draw my wing where my eye stops, it'll all get covered by the hood. So I take it out here, and then I would draw a little wing from there, like so. But today, we're gonna be crazy, so I'm gonna go where my like creases, and I'm gonna draw a black line there. And connect it to my wing, and then we're just gonna make my wing gigantic too. Big wing, connect it so that they touch tips. Ta-da! So you're gonna have something like this. Regular liner, line, connect them. And then, also gonna draw lashes. So I start right here usually, and do like 1, 2, 3. I start longer and I get a little shorter, and then I make them little triangles. So that is the eyeliner. I'm gonna do the same thing on the other eye. Okay, this next part is my favorite part because I feel like even with this, it's kind of hard for you to see my liner. Like, if I go like this, all you see is the bottom. Like, that's so much black. Anyway, I've been obsessed with doing this since I started doing it because I'm not great at liner. These aren't even. It's not like I didn't do a good job. So now you just take your eyeliner and you just draw dots. Just messy dots. Like so. Just messy dots. Just too many of them. And then it's like, oh, is it not the same? It's not supposed to be. It's dots. Do them out there. I do them in here. Like Thanos just snapped and your eyeliner is disintegrating. See? How much more you can see that than this? And then I do the bottom ones too. That's what we got going on. Look at how much cooler this eye looks than this eye. I added some lashes and mascara, but I'm also gonna add a little glitter. Just right here. And then under the eye right here. Just go over where I put that cream blush earlier with more blush. I'm gonna do a tiny bit of nose contour right here. A little here, just tiny. Just that, doop doop doop. Cause I have an Asian nose. And it does not contour the same as white people noses. Okay, and then I'm gonna take a little of highlighter. What are you? Becca. Becca Moonstone. Just a little bit of that tip of the nose. And like right here. This is Black Moon Cosmetics Sleepwalker. I'm gonna do this over here where I can see it. Ta-da! Now let's get dressed. We've done it. We are at the pumpkin patch. I know. Just take my picture in this.
That thingy?
Yep,
Yes.
and that's the picture. That's it. There it is.
Why'd you even wear an outfit?
I don't know. I shouldn't have.
Yeah.
Here, you go in there. And that's the only photo we got of Mike all day. Boom, 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 boom. There's a lot of people here, and I have to pose in front of them. But it's cute, look. Some sunflowers. Okay, here we go, 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 here we go. Ooh, I could sit by these. These are kind of dead looking though.
Well, you know, well, some of them are just not quite.
As is my soul.
Right. Some good look there.
Yeah, but I'm gonna sit by this small one right here, or that small one right there.
It's got 3 bees on it.
Yeah, the one with 3 bees on it. Let's do this small one.
The one with no bees on it?
Yeah, the one with no bees on it. 3 bees. 3 bees. Why do you like this? Okay. This guy acting like he doesn't want pictures of himself, and then I don't take enough pictures of him. I can take more pictures of you. We can do it. We can go.
But it's a different place.
Okay. Over there. Okay. Too many people?
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Too many people. If you were a Sanrio character, who would you be? I like this question because he doesn't know any Sanrio characters.
No, I do.
Okay.
Who, she?
I don't. That's not a Sanrio character.
No, the frog one.
Karopi.
Karopi, no.
I forgot to do an outfit video while we were at the pumpkin patch. mask. I had to unbutton the top button because it's a little strained because I gave her the wrong measurements. The girls have grown a little bit. So here's the hood. I have a tail. And I paired it with these black milk tights and some socks from Amazon and some YRU shoes. Doot, doot, doot. And pockets. It has pockets. It has pockets.
Okay, well, if why are you shoes, then what am I?
No. Thanks for watching the video. If you want me to do more like photo shoot, get ready with me's, let me know. But I just thought this was a fun little video for Halloween spooky times. It is Kuromi's birth month as well as my own. So, I don't know. Hope you enjoyed it. What do you think of my new hair? I did a wolf cut. You can follow me on TikTok to see how I did it. Don't forget to like it, subscribe it, share it, bop it, twist it, pass it, and don't ask questions, just go with it. The flower wall is a work in progress, okay? That's why there's a step ladder there. It's not my real ladder.